Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Mani, the Luckiest, and Maniology M316 and Ghoulish as my stamping polish. Here is the Luckiest. It's inspired by the Color Club Lucky Charm polish. This is from that polish Dupe It project over at Moonshine Mani. Look at that crazy. Beautiful. I've already got Nailtiques Formula 2 down on my nails, and here we go with our first coat of the Luckiest. I haven't seen Simple Colors, like, new collections in the stores in forever, so I didn't even know that this polish existed to be duped, so I'm very excited that Phoebe did dupe this one for us. And it's a stunner. I mean, it's just so pretty. And I'm making such a mess of it. It's okay. Still getting used to painting short nails. Getting my brush loaded up too much, I guess. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I'm going to get some of that off my skin so we can get on with it. I am going to top this with I&M's out the door. I'm going to get it to dry down. I'm going to do some stamping today. As you saw earlier, I've already got my plate picked out. And my stamping polish. So pretty. I love it. It's got that scattered hollow in it, and then it's got that shimmer that jumps out, that green, yellow. Ugh, I love it. Hi, Woody, you back again? So busy. I'm going to have to go up under that nail because I got some polish underneath there. There's a swatch photo of the Luckiest. Maniology M316. Such a pretty plate. This is another one of my new ones. I'm really trying hard to get through them, but I don't think it's going to happen. I've got that blue film off, and I'm cleaning it with some acetone and wiping it with a quote-unquote lint-free wipe. And here's Maniology Ghoulish. It's a funky color. It's kind of like a goldy, greeny, yellowy, like a lime metallic or something. It's so cool. Had to use it. So, once again, I'm just going to pull 5 different images off this plate and stamp them all on my nails. And, you know, take it from there. Nothing crazy. I'm not filling in any designs. I'm not doing gradients or water marbles or anything really crazy today. Now, this spiderweb image right here is probably one of my favorite images of a spider web I've ever seen. I love that it's got the dots in it and the shape of it. I just really, really like this one. I don't know why it's calling me so hard, but it is. And since we've got, you know, that going on, we got to get this little spider right here that's got a little bit of a web going on. I do use that piece of tape to get the excess up so I don't get it on my skin or on the nail that I don't want, so I do that for that reason. Here we go with another spider web, and this one's got a little bitty spider that's going to come with it. So cute. Loving this. So it's been a mad dash trying to get all my Halloween manicures done, and in time to be able to post them before Halloween. So we'll see, you know. See what the girl can do. And unfortunately, my nail's not long enough to get the little spider from this one. So I'm just going to do the heart-shaped spider web, which I thought was really unique. I've never seen that on another plate, so I was happy to see that. I always love seeing things that, you know, don't look like other images I already have on other plates. So there we go. Gonna get that one on there. That's so cute. Alright, so I'm going to clean up my scraper card and get this plate clean so I can put it in the put it away file or box or whatever. Get that clean and wipe it with a lint-free wipe. And I'm just fiddling. Oh, I needed to get another lint-free wipe because the other one was kind of saturated. So now we're hopping in with a piece of tape and getting some of this excess polish up off of my skin. Excuse me. And now we're going in with my acetone and cleaning up around the nail and up under the nail. Happy to have a little bitty bit of fridge. We're going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Going to seal that stamping in without smearing it. Let that dry. And then we're going to top these with Seche Vite today. Change it up just a little bit. Seche Vite used to be my ride or die. I mean, I used to just was crazy in love with this stuff. But it does sometimes have some shrinkage issues, so get that, take care of that, Woody. Thank you. Get that mess cleaned up. She's such a messy girl. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.